when it came to Brooklyn, that was you guys' stronghold. It was Brooklyn, Bounty, Bass Odyssey. That was the argument there. Okay, another clash where you guys actually made the man get upset was Bass Odyssey versus David Rodigan in, I think, a warehouse. Squingy did something and got Rodigan so mad.
Yeah, it turned red. Yeah, man. It turned red. You see, all right. Them time that we and Rodigan we didn't have a link like that, you know, where we were friends or so to speak, you know what I mean? So, knowing how BASS Odyssey did things, we were just a straight war machine. We kill you, we say anything we want to say, we don't like it, that's for your business, right? So that was the same approach he did to Rodigan. So, you know, through Rodigan was speaking his English, his Queen's English and everything, and, you know, and right now my wife is in my hotel room, you know, sleeping or whatever, and as Squingy come in and say, Rodigan, you sure about that? Right now, your wife is in your hotel room with the next match. And it pissed him off. I tell you, but no. You know what I mean? And it was a case where I think it was probably a year after that where we are already gonna play again. Squingy remembered, and he went to him and said, right, Mr. Rodigan, you know, so I apologize for what I said that night or whatever. You know, because, you know, we became friends, and, you know, because Rodigan is a gentleman, so to speak. You know, Squingy took it on himself to just basically apologize. That's why if you realize from that, you know, even the last clash that we had Rodigan played, you know, 2008 UK Cup, if you realize, even when Squingy was talking to Rodigan, he spoke to me with nothing but respect. He never said nothing disrespectful to Rodigan, none at all. Yeah, man. You know, so that was just it, man. But that night was a night still.
I remember
Rodigan red, you know?
I remember that clear as day. And I think that's the one where he said, listen, his pants are tight. If he could put his foot up here, he can't put it here. If he could put it here, he can't put it here. And
man. I'm going to play the Beanie Man and say, we talk too soon. Like that, we have to say, box, we have a room. Yeah, remember all of them things though.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.